Hello guys, I'm Vivek and welcome to in Angular in 2 minute tutorial series. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can create a custom pipe. So we will create Excerpt Pipe. Basically, what it will do is it will actually sort your text and add dot 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 character at the end. And so basically, you can use it anywhere in your blog post or somewhere. So let's start. So I will actually create pipe from the scratch. So first of all, I will name it at excerpt.pipe. Yes, and here you will have to import two things. First is the pipe, and the second is the pipe transform uh, from module Angular core. All right. So in order to recognize your class as a uh, pipe, you will have to add a pipe metadata here, and in the name field, you'll have to add your pipe name. So I'm just going to name it as excerpt, and the class name would be something like excerpt pipe, and it should implement from, actually it must implement from the pipe transform, and and we will have to override its interface methods. Okay, sorry, uh transform, basically, yeah, transform. Yeah. So the transform first parameter would be the value which will be passed from the as an input when you will use it somewhere. Okay. So, and the second parameter would be something, anything you can use it as a custom parameter here, and I'm just using it here as a number, which is basically the number of characters. So it should return the value dot substring. The first character would be the parameter would be 0, and the second would be the number, and I just want to append a dot 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 at the end. So in order to use this pipe, you will have to declare it in your app module or somewhere in other module where you want to use. So the it's a pipe. All right. So I forgot to use comma here. Okay, so I just want to use text which I can show you here, like this is the dummy text, load some tips text. I will use it here. So in your template here, you can create a paragraph tag or any tag you like, and inside the tag, what you will do is you will write your variable, which is your uh, string, and you will use your pipe sub and pass your parameter as, like, say 100 character. So now the string is sorted. If you write like 50 here, it will be more shorter. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.